on? Today we're going to go over how to draw, semi-realistic pterodactyl, I think. We're going to do it step by step, easy, anyone could do it, okay? So let's get started, okay? If you like dinosaurs, definitely stick around, okay? Cool. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the head of the pterodactyl, which technically isn't a dinosaur. I think it's like a reptile. I think a dinosaur, I think, has to have... anyways, we'll talk about that while we're doing this. So let's start with the first stroke. Just start with a bump here. I'm gonna go back to the elongated head. Alright? Bump for the brow, right? Everything had a brow. And we're gonna go forward, right here, into the beak-like area, and pull back. Right on. Cool, cool. Gonna go over here to the eye line was about here, and we're gonna go in and I'm gonna pull a line up over here, line over here, downward, right? We're gonna go right in that eye. We'll draw like a dot over here, like he's looking over there or something. Like, yeah, what's up? Okay. Gonna draw a little bit of a bag under the eye right there, like a line. He's serious. Line over here for the edge of the beak. And then over here in the back area, I'm going to pull up, curve up, pull in. I'm going to go in, out over here for that open mouth, right? He is, I don't know what kind of noise they made. Probably like, oh, wow. I don't know what they made, but yeah. Go over here, downward, curve. And then over here, I'm going to draw a line there for kind of the back rim, right? The back inner part of the mouth. We'll go over here, line over here, fill that in. Cool, cool. Now, let's just fill in the back of this mouth over here. I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna pull the underside of the mouth, okay, right from the end. Alright. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw dinosaurs of all types, whether it be realistic or more on the cartoon side, I'm gonna be putting those up constantly, okay? So hit the subscribe, click the bell notification so it actually shows up on your feed. And yeah, like I'm a huge dinosaur fan, or any reptile that lived in that era. I'm gonna go right here, and I'm going to draw a line there for kind of the nostril area. I think I'm not sure if somebody can correct me about this. I think they think the nostril was up here, right? I mean, obviously from fossils and stuff, but because he'll reach into the water, right? And they don't want to drown, so they have their nostril, their breathing apparatus up there, essentially, right? That evolved over time. Somebody tell me about that. I think that's the way it is, right? In the skull, curve, back of the head, and now we're gonna draw a line over here for a very kind of skinny neck, right? Right on. Gonna go over here now, swoop for the body. Curve. Line it. Right on. Over here, I'm gonna draw a leg. That's like the knee right there, pulling in. Gonna go around here in this area, pulling up. Going into the other leg. Alright. Gonna start the shoulder here. So shoulder to the top of the kind of wing there area, and it's gonna extend more over here. I'm gonna try to extend it most of the page. Line, curve, and now we're going to take care of the feet. Alright, just going to get that out of the way. We're going to pull line out, down, and just kind of throw in these three spikes, these three prongs out the bottom, and then I'm going to tie it back up there. Alright, line out here, same thing, three prongs, tie it down there. I'm gonna take all the way to the end. Remember, all the way over here, and I'm gonna pull back on this wing over here. Pulling back. Just kind of peeling it in there. Gonna go over here on this side. Line up for the far side wing, and you're gonna follow this through, right? I'm gonna try to pick it up on that side. Just kind of like measure it, right? Because it's called a rhythm. Zigzag for some fingers over there at the end of the wing, and I actually didn't put that up here too. There's got to be a couple of fingers sticking out. Pulling up for that side of the wing. Pulling down and pulling in. Curve right here, pulling up. And then forming kind of the thin, I don't know if they were bone, right? Were they cartilage? I cannot remember what the guys were made of. And over here, the same thing. This thin kind of rim at the end, right? Alright, doing good so far, okay? Absolutely. Hit the like button, by the way, like I said. I don't think I said that one, right? Hit the like if you like the dinosaur stuff, so I can add way, way, way more of it. I can go over different pterosaurs. Like I said, yeah, really, really let me know. Right on. So we're pretty much finished with him. Really, now it's going to be more about the, you know, details. So I can draw thin lines around the neck here, because he most likely had like reptile skin. So drawing like thinner lines. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. Maybe a line up here between the eyes, you know, to kind of give him a kind of a brow. And I'll be honest, this phase you can kind of do anything you want. I could draw little dots over here. As long as they're thinner than the outer lines, you can do almost anything because it's kind of a textured skin, right? So I can draw these thin little lines here, maybe in the armpit area, dot, 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 you know. As much as I want, again, as long as it doesn't take over the image. So if you're into drawing cute stuff, by the way, I know this guy isn't quite as cute. This guy isn't really cute, but if you like cute stuff, go get the cute drawing ebook. If you want to be able to take this guy and make him, like, cutify him, use that ebook. It is a free ebook that I give to everybody. But yeah, go check it out. It's going to be the first link in the description. Check that out. So it's all about proportion. For example, if I wanted to cutify him, I wouldn't just make his head bigger, I'd make the proportions different. I would make his eyeball bigger in comparison to his head. But maybe I'll do a demonstration for that one day. But yeah, thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon, all right? Talk to you next time, and yeah.